My name's Michael Ortiz. I'm a third-year PhD student here at the Carolina Health Informatics Program. Most of our students, they come from biology backgrounds, at least last summer and this summer. And I myself, a few years ago, back in 2015, I graduated from the biology department here at North Carolina. So I know what it feels like to be all of a sudden in a course or a program where you have no experience in informatics or analytics more broadly. So trying to convey the message that they can make the same leap. They can learn all the things that I learned. And having that background in biology, I think, makes them more unique, and being able to bridge their understanding of life sciences and methods, how it works over there, and more of wet lab procedures, and bringing that into the world of informatics where we focus mostly on modeling. I think bringing those two together is a really important application. What I would want them to take away is that the future of science, I think, is going to increasingly depend on their skill set in applying computing methods. So if I can empower them, make them feel like anytime they're sitting in front of a computer, that beyond just using basic applications or graphical user interfaces, but being able to actually understand how modeling works, how different algorithms can be applied to different problems, when it's appropriate to use them, when it's appropriate to not use them, and how to interpret them. And most importantly, that I stress to the students every single day, is to communicate all of these findings. So I'm learning as a graduate student that the communication of the things you do is probably the most important learning dimension. So I really want to stress that, and I hope that they can leave here with that. Being able to vocalize what they're thinking about. So there's always this disconnect. In myself, I'm learning as a grad student that what we have in our own minds and what other people are understanding or interpreting, there's this gap. So being able to communicate that and bridge that gap so other people can really internalize and understand, digest how complicated these things are, but in a way that makes it simple and easy. So it's a difficult task, but I think it's very important. And in my future, I hope to be a research scientist, and I hope for all my students to also become research scientists. Communication is one of the most important skills that they can have and leave here with.